We're going to see what Thatcher does on this. Oh, he's so excited. How you doing, buddy? Yeah. How you doing? You excited? You had to go to the doctor today because you weren't feeling that well, but you look okay now. You gonna hoo for me? Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, come on. Ooh. That's all for now.